Well, welcome back. Let's take a look and see how you did. I'm almost done mine, and what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to press F2, and that puts the whole board in the window. And I turn all my routes off by pressing 0. And then we turn off our shadow mode so we can see our disconnects. So we zoom in, we start moving some of our routes around, and let's move a couple of vias so we make a little room, and finish up the routing and straighten them out, and done. So our board is done, and now we have to see if we have any errors that we missed. We go to Tools, and the first thing we want to do is update our DRC. Very important. Okay, then the next thing we want to do is create 3 reports. So if we go to Tools and Reports, and we look for dangling lines, design rule check, and design rule check shorts check DRC report, and a summary drawing report. And we say generate reports. DRC errors we have none, shorts we have none, waived DRCs we have none. So it looks like things are looking pretty good here. Drilling statistics we're not interested in at this point, but we are interested in missing connections, which we have none. Dangling connections, we do have 3, and we did make a dangling connection report. We'll go check that out. And that's about it. Now, this is the dangling lines report. This we will use. So we see that our first one is on INT1, which we have brighted up. And all we have to do is click on this, and it brings us right to the, oh, here it is right here. So let's get rid of that. We make sure we have our vias and C lines on, and if we put our cursor right there, gets rid of it. So on INT1, click it, and there it is. Takes care of that. And the last one is, well, we already got that one. So the next thing we look for is the vias. These are dangling vias. So if we look at this one right here, we see that it's not connecting anything. So we want to make sure that we have just vias on. And here's the via. Click it. We see that it's not attaching anything. So let's go to the next one, which is this one. This one. Okay, and then the next one. So this is the one. Okay, so there was 2 there. And the last one would be right here. Yep. So we should be all done. Going to do another dangling line report. So we generate another report, and we check it out, and we see that we have no more errors, so we're done. And at this point, it's a good idea to put your dynamic fill to smooth, and that'll be in design parameters and shapes, and keep it smooth. And we can check these 2 boxes as well, the delete isolated shapes and automatically delete antenna shapes. And we can say OK. That goes. And we see that, yeah, it's fine. So at this point, it would be a good idea to do another update DRC, another set of dangling lines report, and a summary report. Save this board to routed.brd. And in the next lesson, we'll create all the deliverables you need to give to your board shop.